What's going on, traders? Tron for you guys today. Tron being one of the pretty interesting, pretty neat looking, pretty nice looking charts. This is simple accumulation range being resolved right here in front of your eyes. Basically, we simply closed the previous 3-day candle above all the previous highs, coming in at 5 cents. So yep, had a retest on this 3-day candle as well, all the way at 51 cents. So not 51, 5.1 cents. So yep, this one is breaking out, this one is leaving the range. Tron looking good. Tron just simply like wanting to resolve this range in BTC fashion, in actually in lot of in Ethereum fashion as well, right? So this grind being a major buying opportunity around 2.5 cents right here, simply 2xing off of that grind accumulation and breaking above this previous highs, which were formulated all the way back at June 2018, simply retesting it. And on the next 15-hour closure, just keep a close eye on 3-day closure on Tron against USDT. If you are actually closing, if you're going to be closing something like this was a simple breakout, retest confirmation, and yep, you are on for some, yes, these numbers only. I mean, yeah, it's all going to go up. It's all going to go up. So what's the point of making these videos, right? It's all going to go up. The point of these videos is to take profit on certain key levels and to manage your risk if the train starts going to the downside. So how would the train start going to the downside? It is going to be happening if you lose hold of 5 cents level on 3-day time frame, on 2-day time frames as well, on daily also. You could argue on daily, if you're closing candles, if you start closing candles below 5 cents, then yep, you are getting into a little bit of reaccumulation to sideways price action. You would probably retest these levels at 0.786, but since the total cryptocurrency capital except Bitcoin has broken out on a weekly closing basis, there is not much incentivization for these trains to actually stop, man. This just the power vertical accumulation mode is on for cryptocurrency market. All right, so you got to be uber bullish up your head, but while being extremely cautious in terms of managing the risk. So well, I don't think I have been this how do I say, this moon boyish kind of bullish since forever in crypto markets. Now some key things are happening which is making me respond to all of these trading environments. So I think these things are real. Whatever you dreamt for, whatever you waited for is just coming to fruition. Just capitalize on this goddamn gains, man. I mean, just make use of it. Make use of it. The first test being 1.272 at 66.3 cents. 1.618 is going to be at 7.9 cents. Now this is the trade that you can eye for. A 50% move coming in at 1.618 all the way to 2.618. So that's going to be a 50% move, which is going to be more than 50%. Like on in terms of certainty, yep, more than 50% certainty on this thing happening. The trade between 1.618 to 2.618. So yep, eye on this level. Closure above 8 cents is going to simply lead you towards 12 cents. Closure above that is going to lead you to 4236 at 20 cents, and then ultimate target being $0.5 at 10.764 right here. Now these targets being extremely moon boyish, like, so take things step by step, man. I mean, we could consolidate between this range for a month, and then we could break out for this range, and then consolidate for a month, and then consolidate here for a month, and then eventually go to those levels. So this is a long-term outlook on Mr. Tron right here, but currently looking really nice because we are breaking out of a macro level accumulation structure on USD pair. So that's why it's simply it's all right to expect these targets being hit as far as the adoption goes, as far as people entering in, new people entering into the space, different investment groups considering Tron in their portfolios, the USDT network working on Tron blockchain, pretty efficient, 0 fees, man. Now that's going to cause the adoption curve for Tron to just like simply skyrocket, man. I've been using USDT withdrawals on Tron blockchain. They're practically free. I've been moving my funds across crypto exchanges to all the places without paying anything. So that's all possible because of Tron blockchain. This one right here is a sleeping giant. Fundamentally, fundamentally. So these are your potential targets. I mean, pretty much moon boyish, but like watch out for this particular level at 6.3 cents to be taken down. If we take out this level, then yep, not much stopping until 1.618 and 2.618. So yeah, this is going to be one of the key trades coming in this month. Let's take a look at a little more history. Yeah, this is gonna have a little more history. Yes, so the all-time high being at 34 cents. Now this one also being a pretty neat target. Let's see. I had a line. How did I draw the line? Yep, it was like this. We've already rated the 618. No, this is, I did not draw the line like this then. 1.7.2. Yep. Contact point on a deep retrace level. Yes, this makes sense to me right here. So your prior all-time high directly aligning with 7.618 at 34 cents right here. This entire accumulation range could at least resolve to 0.786. Sorry, 7.618. At least to those points. So that would be pretty interesting and neat to look at. Keep an eye on this this structure being continued to the upside and just simply being pushed to the upside. Most of the things are okay. Most of the things are looking nice. The 10-hour 200 simple moving average, like coming straight off of the accumulation zone, finally sloping up. Well, it was always sloping to the upside, strengthening to the upside. You could manage your risk around 5 cents, like I said before. If you see a few higher time frame closures below 5 cents, then you could come back down and retest these levels at 4.5 cents to 4 cents. But for the time being, when you're holding, if you're holding 5 cents, yeah, you're pretty much okay. Pretty much okay on Tron. TRX against BTC right here for you guys. Tron against BTC also started to like have a little gear change right here, but you can't really draw much conclusions on something that looks like this. I mean, I can argue about the extreme small time frames. Yep, it's moving, it's sloping up. 3-hour time frame, 200 simple sloping up, everything sloping up all the way until yes the 12-hour time frame. So okay, now this is something important right here. The 12-hour close is pretty soon, and your previous attempt for the closure above the 200 is getting rejected for the time being. So this is the first and the foremost step. 12-hour closure above basically 123 satoshis would mean good news for Tron. Until then, you could chop around the 200 simple moving average, and then you could maybe resolve, maybe not resolve to the upside. Wait for this key event to happen. You want to see open closes above the 200 simple moving average on the 12-hour time frame, and then it's going to be looking nice. Alright, so this was pretty basic analysis on Tron. I'm going to be taking a look at Tron in a comprehensive way pretty soon as and when we resolve the BTC pair right here. So yep, I think that's pretty much it about Tron. I hope to catch you guys pretty soon on the next video. Bye for now.